What's up, guys? This is Will back with another video, and today we're going to take a look at a lapel microphone that was sent out to me by a company called PoP Voice. So I want to give them a big shout out for providing this for a review. So this is the PoP Voice 16 feet single head lavalier lapel microphone, omnidirectional condenser mic for Apple, iPhone, Android, and Windows phones. YouTube, interviews, studio, video recording, noise cancellation microphone. You can pick this up on Amazon.com for $10.99. I'll leave that link down in the description if you want to pick it up. So let's see what all it comes with. Within the packaging, you get the microphone, you get a PC adapter, you get one clip, you get a wind muff, microphone pouch, and Velcro. So let's take a look at this and see what we got. What's really unique about this one compared to the other ones that I have is the 16-foot long cable that it has with it. So here's the front of the box here, PoP Voice, and then here's the back. You have a user support scanner right there. You can scan code there, and you can pause that, read it, scan it. But anyway, let's see what we got here. Let's get in the box. So you get a nice carrying pouch here. Got PoP Voice on it. And let's take a look, see what we got here. Good, neat way to carry your stuff here. So, of course, you're going to get your microphone with that extra long cord there. And just long to me because the ones I have are not that long. So, you get your pamphlet here. And this is showing other products that they may need. Telling you a little bit about the PC adapter right here. Right there. And then your other user's guide information right there. So put that over to the side. Then you get your extra muffs, socks, whatever you want to call them. You get different colors. You get orange, red, and black. A couple of black ones. As your PC adapter. Has a nice logo on it there. And you also get an extra clip, because these clips can break sometimes, so it's good they put another one in there. So that's all your content within the packaging there. Let's take a look at the microphone itself. You can see they have PoP Voice on there. It's on the little Velcro piece to keep you all nice and neat. And you can see how long it is there. It's really, really long. I'm not going to pull it all the way apart here. But here's the mic. Pretty decent sized mic, as you can see. Got a nice metal clip on it. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video. Right now I'm recording this without an external mic on my Note phone. I'm going to plug this in, then we'll see if you can hear the difference with it plugged in. So stand by, guys. Okay, guys, so now I have the PoP Voice lapel mic plugged in. Just trying to compare the difference from using the regular external microphone on the Note 8 compared to having this microphone plugged in. Just see the sound quality and see if it's any clearer. I do have a fan, like a box fan, going in the background. I don't know if you could hear it before. Just see if this is kind of eliminating a little bit of that sound with it. So anyway, guys, I'm going to unplug it again, then go back to the regular mic, and we'll see what it sounds like then. Okay, guys, so I'm back on the on the microphone that's on the Note 8. This is not an external mic, so maybe we'll get a chance. Hopefully that improved the sound. So all right, guys, just a look at the PoP Voice lapel microphone. If you guys want to pick it up, like I said, the link will be down in the description. We'll catch y'all in the next video. We're out of here.